Dear students, we were discussing adverbial clauses yesterday. Before that, I have taught you the meaning of adverb. I have discussed with you. Then we have done adverb phrases. And yesterday we were doing adverbial clauses. Adverb clause and adverbial clause is one and the same thing. Okay? It's better that you sit separate here. Instead of passing smiles in class, you sit separate. It is a good option for you. So let's continue with the topic adverbial clauses. Adverbial clauses. Okay. So we were discussing about that exercise. Which sentence we were discussing? Kinds. Okay. So we were discussing kinds. So yesterday we were on the kind adverbial clause of cause, or you can say reason. Whenever any principal clause is given and after that principal clause subordinate clause is given, and this subordinate clause is joined using word like because, as, since, because, as, since. So when these conjunctions are used, your subordinate clause starts with these conjunctions. So it will come into the category of adverbial clause of cause or reason. Okay. For example, she did not come to school. She did not come to school because she was not well. She did not come to school because she was not well. So this subordinate clause starts with a conjunction because. So whenever your subordinate clause starts with the conjunction because, as, since, so it will come into the category of adverbial clause of cause or reason. This was kind number 4. I have discussed with you. So go through it carefully so that I can move further. Next kind that we are going to discuss is, fifth kind we have is adverbial clause of condition. Adverbial clause of condition. So see how which sentence, it doesn't mean that first of all main clause will come and afterwards subordinate clause will come. It is not compulsory every time. Students have such kind of confusion that first main clause come, after that the subordinate clause come. So it is not every time necessary. Sometime condition is given, and from which conjunction your condition starts. For example, if you do not give me your English notebook today, I will not allow you to go. Very fantastic sentence I have found. If you do not give me or submit me your English notebooks. Now, what condition I have put? If you do not give me your English notebooks, I will not allow you to go. Your sisters will come here and they will tie up Rakhi in this class. If you have a plenty of pending work. Yes, ma'am. You say no, ma'am. Our notebooks are complete. Let us go. So this condition, if you do not give me your English notebooks, So I will not allow you to go. So here condition is made by using a word if. And this clause is main clause or subordinate? Why subordinate? Because this clause starts with conjunction. So when any of the clause starts with conjunction, so it will be subordinate because it is not making clear sense. To convey its proper meaning, it is dependent on which clause? Yes, I will not allow you to go. It is dependent on main clause. Now this concept is clear that sometimes subordinate clause come first, then afterwards we have main clause. So subordinate clause starts with if. So what clause kind is this? It will be adverbial clause of condition because here condition is put by using a word if or unless or on the condition of, yes, on the condition of, in case, yes, provided that. So your subordinate conjunction, sorry, your subordinate clause can start with this conjunction unless on the condition of in case provided that. So these kind of things can be there. These kinds of conjunction can be used to start your sentence subordinate clause. Am I clear? So it will be your adverbial clause of condition. It is unless provided that on the condition of in case. What do you want to say, Ishan? Speak loudly. I know you are talking about me. I know very well. Is there any problem? You want to talk about me? So next we have adverbial clause of concession. Adverbial clause of concession. What is concession? When contrast is being made. When contrast is made in two sentences. Okay. So contrast is made by using word though, although, even though, whereas, though, although, whereas, as if. So all these are conjunctions that I have used. With the help of these conjunctions, your subordinate clause will start, and this subordinate clause will be dependent on main clause. It means two clauses will be compared, main clause and subordinate clause. These two clauses will have a contrast, and this kind is known as adverbial clause of concession. Okay. For example, though she is very much rich, though she is very much rich, she is not happy. Though she is very much rich, she is not. So though she is very much rich, it is your subordinate clause because it starts with the conjunction though, and she is not happy. It is a which clause? Main clause. Because it is independent, it is making its sense. If I speak only, she is not happy, so it is conveying proper meaning. But though she is very much rich, this sentence is fully dependent on this sentence. Clear? So this will be known as adverbial clause of concession. What is concession? Keep this point in your mind. When two sentences, two clauses are given, one is dependent on other, and the clause which is dependent on other, it will have a conjunction like though, although, whereas, as if, and this is used to make contrast between two sentences. When contrast is there, so it is adverbial clause of concession. Okay, Anjani is raising her hand. Yes, Anjani, what is your doubt? Show me your face. There can be some fake ID. They will play music when I will allow them to speak. Okay, Anjani, yes.
मैम जो आपने फोर्थ टाइप का करवाया नहीं था एडवर्बियल क्लॉज ऑफ रीजन, उसका जो आपने बोर्ड पे लिखा था वो नेट प्रॉब्लम की वजह से मैं लिख नहीं पाई थी, और बार लिख दोगे?
Which one? Fourth one?
यस मैम, जो बिल्कुल स्टार्टिंग में करवाया था क्लास की।
आप कह रहे हो फोर्थ वन? Adverbial clause of time, very first one.
Of reason, fourth.
Achha, adverbial clause of reason. It was not clear. Okay. Okay, I tell you adverbial clause of reason also. Adverbial clause of reason, or you can say cause. For example, if I speak this sentence, I did not come to school yesterday because I was not well. So here two clauses are joined using word because. I did not come to school yesterday. Is it making a sense or not? It is making a sense. So it will be which clause? It will be main clause. Because I was not well. Because it starts with the conjunction because. Because this line, this sentence, this clause is telling us the reason. The reason for not coming to school. The cause for not coming to school. This reason is being elaborated by using a conjunction because. So when any of the subordinate clause that is completely dependent on main clause and it starts with because word, so it will come into the category of adverbial clause of reason or cause. Okay. So because, as, since, that. It can be because, it can be as, it can be since, or it can be that. Clear? I cannot go out for the party as it is raining. Why is the reason? Why can't you go out? As it is raining. So as is telling about the reason, cause. Clear? Clear? Anjani, now tell me. Now only one clause is left, that adverbial clause of comparison. Anjani, am I clear? You were having that doubt. Anjani? Okay. Adverbial clause of last is comparison. Adverbial clause of comparison. It means two clauses are given to you and two clauses are being compared. Now being compared by using word like than and as. Comparison is made by using word than or as. So two clauses are being joined using and they both are compared by using word than, as. For example, she looks younger than she is. So than she is, that is your subordinate clause. And she looks younger, that is your subordinate clause is dependent on main clause. And this is described by using a conjunction than. Okay. He does not work hard as you can. So as you, she does not work hard as you can. So as hard as you can. As and as word is repeated 2 times. As hard as you can. So this will be your subordinate clause. It is dependent on main clause. So when subordinate clause is dependent on main clause and your subordinate clause is told by using a word than or as dash dash as, so it is used for making comparison. It is used for making comparison. So when this comparison is used between 2 clauses, so it will come into the category of adverbial clauses of comparison. Am I clear to you? Clear? Yes. Now we will be doing one exercise. Afterwards, your syllabus is over. Okay. And from Monday onwards, we are going to start revision. See, for last 3 days, I have been teaching you this topic because I have taken this topic in detail. During revision time, you should not have any kind of difficulty in that because I have taken one kind. Because to understand the concept of adverbial clauses, it is very much compulsory to understand the concept of adverbial phrases. And to understand the concept of adverbial phrases, it is very much compulsory to recall adverb and its kinds. So when you will be doing revision of this, first recall adverb, its kinds, then think about adverbial phrases, kinds, then understand clauses, kinds, then do its exercise. Go according to that. I was going so slowly with this topic because this topic was not to be taught so hurriedly. That's why I have taken this topic at the last, when your literature, writing skill and all other grammar topics were covered. That's why I have taken at last, so that we can give that topic a plenty of time. It should not be done in a hurry. But now today we will be able to complete this exercise, and from Monday we are going to start our revision. So from Monday you all should have rough notebooks with you, and you just keep that notebook separate, because daily I will be discussing one of the writing skill or one of the grammar topic with you, and you are supposed to do its written practice. So you keep that separate notebook with you, because in writing skills you lose marks, because it requires a lot of practice. It requires all the tips which are followed which are discussed in the class. You have to follow all these tips, guidelines. If you follow them, if you do written practice, only then you will be able to score good marks in writing skills. And in grammar, if I tell you any tips and any guidelines, you can straight away write on your books. Okay. So let's start exercise of this adverbial clauses. But I can ask this answer from any of the child. You all should be attentive, and you have to tell me the reason also why this kind of clause is this. I will drink a glass of hot milk when I reach home. I will drink a glass of hot milk when I reach home. Simply tell me when I reach home is what? So subordinate clause will be your adverbial clause, but you have to identify what kind is this. So here I will be writing adverbial clauses, but you have to tell me the kind, and you have to explain also along with that. I don't want to straight away write down the answers and you check it and put the tick mark. Not like that. You have to justify that why this kind is this. When I reach home, you tell me. Yes, it is telling about time. So what kind is this? Adverbial clause of time. Adverbial clause of time. He did not find his wallet where he had left it. Where he had left it. So where he had left it. So it is telling about what? Yes. Because from where word, it is very much clear that we are discussing about which clause? Place. So you should be very much sure that where denotes place. So what kind is this? It is adverbial clause of place. Now next we have she practiced regularly so that she could win the tournament. So that, why did she practice a lot? Why? What was the reason? Yes. What was the purpose behind that? Why did she practice regularly? What was her motive? What was her target? Her target was so that she could win the tournament. So it is telling us about adverbial clause of purpose, because it is mentioning the purpose. It is mentioning the reason, purpose. Because what was the result of that? So that she could win the tournament. So what was the purpose behind that? So from which word it is clear it is purpose? So that you are working hard so that you can score good marks. You are attending this class so that you can score good marks in English. So what is the purpose? Why are you attending the class? So from which word it is clear? So that is a conjunction that is telling us that what is the purpose behind that. So it will be the answer, adverbial clause of purpose. So explanation should be with you. Taranya is raising her hand. Yes, Taranya, what is your doubt, bache?
I raised my hand to give answer.
I thought you have doubt. Okay. Now these three answers are clear. Okay. Now we have fourth. Fourth is Roma went to sleep immediately because she was tired. So what will be the subordinate clause here? Because she was. So from which conjunction it is? Conjunction, which conjunction? So because is a conjunction. And this conjunction is telling that it is which clause? It is subordinate clause. But which adverbial clause is this? Adverbial clause of reason. Why it is adverbial clause of reason? Because word is used. Because it is very much crystal clear. I went on a leave because I was not well. Why did I go on a leave? Because I was. So because word is telling about the reason. Okay, the question is, she went to sleep immediately because she was tired. So because word is telling us the adverbial clause of reason. Clear, bache? Am I clear to you? Now sentence number 5. They packed the night before so that they could leave early. So that they could leave early. So that they could leave early. So that will be. Yes. So whole of this sentence will be adverbial clause of purpose. This video is being recorded and the voices you are making now, it is also being recorded. You can tell me the answer softly, politely. You are a student of 8th class. You are speaking like nursery class students. So that they could leave early. So that is telling us adverbial clause of purpose. Okay. Why? What was the reason that they have packed early? They have packed. What was the reason? What was the purpose? So that purpose is clear from which conjunction? So that is used as a conjunction, and from that we can tell it is adverbial clause of purpose. If you do not pay the rent, I will go to court. If you do not pay the rent. Now subordinate clause has come in the, so don't keep this thing in your mind that first of all there will be a main clause, then subordinate clause. It is your wrong assumption. Subordinate clause can also come first, afterwards main clause can come. So if you do not pay the rent, so which clause is this? Because it is not making its own sense. It is dependent on another clause to convey its proper meaning. So here if is telling about the, if is telling about the condition, and it is telling us about the condition. So it is which clause? Subordinate clause. So it will be adverbial clause of condition. So am I clear? You can check your answer. You can understand the explanation also, because every clause should have a reason. There should be a logic that I am also explaining side by side. You don't straight away write down the answer and put a tick mark. Understand what is the logic, how to find out how to find out subordinate clause. Every subordinate clause has conjunction in the beginning. See, every subordinate clause, like because is a conjunction, so that is a conjunction, if is a conjunction. So all these are subordinate, all these are conjunctions, and all these subordinate clauses start with these conjunction, and they do not stand alone. They are completely dependent on, main clause. Only then they will convey proper meaning. Otherwise they are incomplete. They are dependent, and they are dependent on principal clause or main clause. So this concept is clear? Yes, ma'am. Clear grammar? Now I'm going to move further. Sentence number 7. Now we have sentence number 7. That is, he panicked as soon as he heard the news. He panicked as soon as he heard the news. So he panicked is a, as soon as he heard the news. So this subordinate clause starts with which conjunction? It starts with the conjunction as soon as. So which clause is this? Adverbial clause of as soon as. As soon as it is telling us about time. Simple. It is telling us as soon as. So as soon as word is denoting time. Because as soon as word is denoting time. When he got panicked. When it is giving the answer of when. Sometimes you can get stuck. You can get confused. That as soon as is which clause? So make it question. When did he get panicked? It is. I have framed question by using which word? I have framed question by using which word? So when it is giving the answer of when, so which clause will be there? then be 100% sure my this answer is correct, because it is giving the answer of when also. This is a tip I am sharing when you get stuck, when you get confused. Clear? Next we have is, nobody knows a child better than her mother does. Than her mother does. So than word is used for making. She is richer than you. She is bigger than you. So than word is always used to make. So if than word is always used to make comparison, so what clause will be this? Adverbial clause of comparison. And you are supposed to write down this full. Don't write down in your paper only comparison. Write down full, whether it is adverb, whether it is adverbial phrases, or whether it is adverbial clause. Write down full sentence. Adverbial clauses of comparison, like that. So this concept is clear. Now we have 9. Though she has a link, she is very confident. Close the door. Though. So though word is given. So though word is for concession. And next 10th sentence. The same before it could. So before word is given. So before word is used for adverbial clause of. So this was all about your syllabus. It is done now. Okay. And from Monday onwards, we are going to start our revision. Okay. Okay, students.